Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to block ads with Safari content blockers. I move in my Safari browser and how it's possible to block this ads. I will just move in my home screen and just tap on font settings and scroll down to find Safari and a little bit more scroll down you will reach the Safari. Just tap on this Safari option and a little bit scroll down you will be see the option in journal, this block pop-ups. So just turn it on and you will be block the ads on your Safari browser and it will be protect your Safari web. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.